Greetings, Foxtech community. Today we're tackling a fundamental aspect of iPhone management, how to effectively block access to adult websites. It's a common concern, whether the device in question is yours or belongs to your child. Let's delve into the process. To begin, navigate to your iPhone settings and locate the screen time option. This serves as our entry point for implementing restrictions. If you haven't set up screen time, take a moment to establish it. Choose a robust password. This step ensures secure access to the settings, giving you control over content and privacy adjustments. Within the screen time menu, find Content and Privacy Restrictions. This becomes our command center for customizing the device's content accessibility. Dive into Content Restrictions to fine-tune your preferences. Under the Web Content section, you'll discover the option to limit adult websites. This default filter is robust, automatically blocking websites falling into this category. It's a powerful tool to establish a baseline level of protection. However, it's crucial to acknowledge that the filter isn't infallible. Mistakes can occur. It might block sites that should be accessible or permit ones that shouldn't. To address this, explore the Always Allow section. Here, you can specify sites that your device should consistently have access to, offering a personalized touch to your content filtering. Conversely, in the Never Allow section, you can list sites that, under no circumstances, should be accessible. This dual action approach, incorporating both Always Allow and Never Allow, adds an extra layer of control over your device's web content. By embracing these measures, you establish a robust barrier, preventing access to any adult or similar sites unless the screen time password is entered. It's a reliable strategy to maintain a secure digital environment for yourself or your family. Before we conclude, I'd like to highlight the Foxtech Educational Platform, a free resource designed to enhance your iPhone knowledge. Find the link in the description below. If you found this video insightful, consider subscribing, liking, and hitting the notification bell for more valuable content. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, your digital security is paramount. Peace.